Hello Ladada lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well, keeping well, getting through life. I'm feeling pretty good today, especially because I have a skincare product to try out for you guys. Today I'm going to be trying and reviewing the Duvolle Radiance skincare system for you guys. This one. And basically seeing whether or not it is worth your money. However, do not worry about that $95 price tag because today I have a whopping 70% discount code for you guys. Just use code Ladada at checkout. I will leave the website link down below if you guys decide that after this video you want to pick this one up. Who knows, I may not even recommend it to you guys yet. We'll just have to wait and see. So with that being said, let's get around, let's have a look and review this one. Okay, I have my parcel. I won't lie, this took quite a while to get to me. It was probably around a month in the end. I honestly didn't end up looking at the full time. But it turned out that I forgot what was coming, hence the package is actually open today. I had to check what it was. Anyway, this is what we're working with. As you can see, I do have 4 brushes in here. It is battery operated. The 4 attachments that we have included in here are a facial exfoliation brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone, which is the one that you'll use for that good old dry skin. That being said, we will get this one open and start going through it. There's your little instructions. There's device. I can see 2 buttons on here, on and off. And then if you pull open the bottom part, that is where your batteries go in. I'm going to take a wild guess and say that this is the body exfoliation one, considering it is the largest. It attaches quite nicely. It ain't coming off or going anywhere, so that's a good start. Otherwise, I do believe one of these is an exfoliation one and one is a cleansing one, I think it said. Facial cleansing and facial exfoliation. So considering this is body exfoliation and this one is the same texture as that, this one's exfoliation, this one's cleansing. One part of this that I am definitely very excited to try is this pumice stone because I won't lie, my feet ain't always the most smooth. They do sometimes need a bit of assistance. So to have something like this to kind of rub that dead skin off of your feet, it does seem like a good idea to me. I'm going to go grab the batteries for this one and we will see how it operates. Okay guys, I've just gone and grabbed my batteries. This device takes 4 AA batteries and it does also say on the end here the size and which direction they should be going in. So that's a handy little feature to know. Pop on the lid. Whoop, she already on. Cool. Well, that's very soft. I feel like this would definitely get the dead skin off of your feet, but very slowly and gently. With that being said, I can't really give my final verdict until I try it. However, I will not be trying it on camera on my feet for you guys because who wants to see dead flakes of skin coming off my feet? I will, however, report back and let you know how it goes and whether or not it is worth it. This only has 1 speed, which is on and off. There are only the 2 settings. It's either working as it is or it's not working at all. So that is something worth noting. If you're someone who likes to be able to adjust the speed, obviously this probably isn't going to be for you. That being said, I only ever use my Kmart one on the highest speed anyway, so I don't think this is going to be any kind of issue for me. On and off is honestly all I need. I'm gonna stop playing around now, get to the bathroom, try this thing out, and then report back with you guys. I have some thoughts and they are good uns. Evidently I'm nice and raw and pink now and all exfoliated. It felt great. I really liked it. The brushes are smaller than the ones that I have on my Kmart one, which I have brought in here so that I can show you guys. And as you can see, this is smaller. So I do find it a lot easier to get in like the creases of your nose and kind of around the areas of your face with a smaller brush than a larger one like I have for my Kmart one. I definitely notice a difference between the exfoliating brush and the cleansing brush. Personally, I do not think I will be using the exfoliating one. I think that was a little bit too rough on my skin. So if you are a bit more sensitive, the cleansing one is definitely the way to go. It felt great. It was nice and gentle. Even with only one speed available, I didn't find it was too much, but I don't know whether or not that will apply to everyone. I do think that if you are super sensitive, that the high speed might be a bit much for you. So that is definitely something to consider. Now let's get on to this little revolutionary thing. One thing I will say that was annoying having to soak my feet for a while in order to use this one, but if I were going to have a shower, I would just use it immediately after that. So you don't have to worry about any kind of soaking. Whether you just had a bath or you have a shower, then your feet will obviously be soft enough in order to use this. My feet are feeling a lot softer. They've been doing okay lately anyway, but I really liked this. I think it worked really well. I don't know how well it would last overall. I'm not sure if this is the kind of thing that would wear down. I really can't kind of provide any insight on that. But if I have any further thoughts on this one, I will let you guys know down in the comments. So keep an eye out if you are interested. I have not had a chance to use this attachment yet, but I'm very excited to do so. I think it is going to be great to use in the shower. I might even let Braden use it more than me because he does get eczema, so I think that it would be really good for him to be able to exfoliate his skin with something like this. Okay, final verdict for this one, guys. Would I recommend that you buy it? Yes, I would. I would probably be hesitant to spend $95 on something like this, but at the end of the day, that is just a personal thing. Considering how long these kinds of devices usually last for, I wouldn't say that $95 is that big in the grand scheme. Not that you guys have to worry about that because you can just use my discount code anyway. I've already known for a long time that I freaking loved my Kmart one, but I definitely won't be reaching for this anymore. I will be reaching for my Duvolle. If not, just for the fact that the brush is smaller and can get into areas better. Also for that Puma stone, it is revolutionary. I've been wanting something to make my feet smoother for ages, so I'm so happy to have stumbled across this one. If someone came up to me right now and asked if I wanted to buy the Kmart one or the Duvolle skincare system, my answer would be Duvolle, especially with a 70% off discount code. I think it is worth it for the extra attachments and for the fact that it's waterproof and you can use it in the shower. Definitely a big winner in my opinion. A big thank you to Duvolle for gifting this one to me. I've really enjoyed trying it out for you guys, and I'm so glad that the results were great and that you guys can have 70% off if you want to go get one. I'll be sure to link the website down below in case any of you guys want to pick up one of these devices for yourself. If not, I hope that you enjoyed this video anyway. Please do not hesitate to give me a massive thumbs up. You guys know that I really appreciate it, and I appreciate every single one of you. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Angela. If you would like to join me on a more permanent basis, you can do so by hitting the subscribe button to join our lovely Ladada family, and of course, ding that notification bell to be told when I bring out a new video. Otherwise, each and every one of you have an absolutely wonderful, gorgeous, beautiful, marvelous, spectacular, amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Ladada, love ya!